Get that front brake warmed up. Rear tire warmed up. Front brake. Front tire, I mean. I'm cold. This is awesome. That was a pretty sharp turn, actually. What the hell are those, bro? Are those turkeys? Is that what that was? Oh, hella cool road, bro. Farm County, baby. a handful of front brake there. Ooh, rough crossing. Damn, I would have got some air time if I tried hitting that. Holy cow. Good thing that car was coming. I was trying to speed, bro. That's far left or far right. These are such cool little houses. How unique. Beautiful Oswego, Illinois. Gravel. Is this gonna turn into gravel? I'm gonna guess maybe. Such a weird road. These curves got all this gravel on them. It's kind of annoying. That's so beautiful. What a beautiful life, man. They got a pool there. So many people in America living beautiful lives like this, man. This country is beautiful. Oh my God, man. Look at this. It's crazy how I come to the city for the summer, but then I am finding the most beauty in this. The regular Midwest stuff. Awesome, man. Look at that. No wonder so many people love coming to this town. You know what I do here on my rides, it's actually useful to try and, it's a useful way to like learn the area, is just go on a ride. Don't use maps unless you have to find your spot. If you get completely lost after trying to get back to your place, then that's fine. But use no maps. When you get back to your place, then look at a map. And then I kind of like pinpoint, I'm like, okay, this is where I was, this is where that was, this is where the high school was at. I kind of like can see my route, visualize it based on preliminarily, if that's a word, I don't know, firstly going on the ride, and then afterwards looking at the map and kind of, so I'm getting that visual cue of right now, you know, kind of like what street I'm on, what the structure of the road, is it like bendy, is it perfectly straight, what direction is it facing, all that kind of stuff. It makes it pretty interesting for when you get back. You can kind of, oh, that bird was a little close for comfort. So now I'm like trying to see if I can find, is a stop sign here for me? That's the CBR 0 to 50 and 50 to 0 time right there. What the hell is that? That's like the beefiest gas station I've ever seen, bro. Is that a gas station? What the? Oh wait, no, I am going the right way. Yes, I know this. Haha, motherfucker. I know this. We're gonna take a left here. ATI physical therapy right here, huh? Yes, sir. We did it. I don't really want to go for much of a longer ride because I'm getting kind of cold. Fucking A. Scared me there. Made me go into neutral. She didn't make me go into neutral, but it made me hesitate. I went into neutral. I think this is probably third.